Hey everyone. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and this is another way to practically apply play into your everyday. I'm a little quiet because I'm in such a beautiful, peaceful, serene part of nature right now, and there's just no one around me except nature. And what I am right now is I am the bird listener. And in being here, I'm listening and trying to figure out which bird is what they're saying, why they're saying it, who they're talking to. And it's a beautiful place. You can just hear them going back and forth. And there's so much green here. It's funny how we can get so congested inside cities with building after building and everything so straight. And we come back to a place like this and nothing looks like it's been placed there, yet everything's perfect. And maybe that's what the birds are saying. Wishing you a beautiful, peaceful rest of the day. Lots of love.